Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. We don't have much on the agenda today, but I kind of wanted to rearrange my kitchen in some way. So basically what it is, I've got my laundry room just behind this camera, and I've got a cabinet, I've got a big wardrobe there, and I've got some extra groceries in there. And what I wanted to do was bring the groceries into the kitchen, and I've got a cabinet just under here, which has got all of my electrical appliances. And because it's lower, and there's like two shelves, I kind of miss using, well, not miss, but I don't utilize some of my appliances a lot, that are at the bottom shelf towards the back of the cabinet. And basically I'm just not getting my money's worth by them gathering dust in the cabinet. So what I wanted to do was bring the groceries in, because I am definitely going to be using those on a regular basis, and it's extras, so I don't always need to go down into the cabinet and look for stuff. So I wanted to sort of switch those things around. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to take everything out of this cabinet, and then wipe it down, and then start moving everything from the wardrobe into this one, and then we'll clean that, and then we'll move everything to the cabinet outside, like all the appliances and stuff. I've already got my air fryer and my kitchen, like the bench mixer, in there already, and then everything else is just surrounding it. So just want to better utilize the space, and just get more out of it, My next project is going to be my pantry. I've got some snacks in there that they just stay in their packets and stuff, and I wanted to sort of organize that a little bit better and just put everything in containers. So that's going to be another project, but I do first need to buy containers for it. So yeah, let's start with this and then we'll go from there. It's going to be a long project. I'll show you what it looks like first, and then I'll show you once it's all empty. So this is what we have. As you can see, I've just literally shoved everything in there. I don't have a lot, I'll say that. But this is the first level, and then this is the bottom. Again, some of the things, well, I have two appliances that are sitting out. Like I said, I don't have a lot, but there is some stuff that's towards the back of this cabinet that I cannot get access to, until I pull everything out. And I just don't want to do that. So I want to make sure that everything is really well organized, and it's easy to reach. So I'm just going to move all of this out, and then we're going to clean the shelves. They're pretty clean, but I just want to give them a nice wipe. And I think I have some non-slip grips that I might use, or I'll see if I have enough, because then otherwise I can use it for the appliances outside. So yeah, that's on the agenda. So let's get started. I'll show you what it looks like once everything is out, and I've wiped it down as well. So this is a little bit embarrassing, but this is what this place looks like at the moment. As you can see, everything just keeps getting piled up and just added onto this, and it's just a total mess. I have two shelves over here that need to be sorted, like I was saying. So that's my bench mixer. I have it covered because the lid is it's open basically, and then that's my air fryer, which is just from Kmart. And I've got this one right here, which is kind of broken, so I feel like I should probably get rid of it. But yeah, as you can see, it's a huge mess, and it drives me up the wall. So let's get to organizing. Okay, you guys, so I've got everything just over here, and I cleaned my cabinets with Gumption, which is just the yellow, that one there. My gosh, makes your life literally so easy to clean the damn cabinets. But anyways, I've got some stickers over there for so that the door doesn't bang, which I think I might replace, but I need a scraper to take them off. So once I get that, I'll take those off and replace them. But I've got my top cabinet just lined over there, and then the bottom one I haven't, because I plan on putting the bigger, there's a basket in there that I want to put in, and then there's a bigger flour bags, which are 5 kilos, rice bags, which are 5 kilos. So I want to put all of those in here. So if like without the lining, it's just easier to slip them in and out of the cabinet. So that's why I haven't lined that. Plus I didn't have enough lining paper, so there's that story of my life. I've got another one which I want to keep for the electricals. I feel like that's probably a better way to do it. So yeah, this is done. I've got all of that just over there. I've got a few back here. So I'm just going to bring everything from the laundry cabinet into here, and then we'll go from there. And I literally just disabled my phone, and it's been locked for 5 minutes now. So yeah, life's good. Yay. All right, you guys, we finally made progress. So this is the cabinet underneath the countertop. So I've got just like my extras over here, and some of the health stuff just behind that, like that container. So this one is actually not cashews. I need to remove the label and relabel it. But this is actually milk powder. I always have a little bit of milk powder at home because I use it for cooking, as well as sometimes when I run out of milk, and I've got like long life milk just at the back, just in case we run out of milk at home. That's just all health stuff at the back. So you've got your coconut flour, like more keto friendly stuff. Those are just extra spices. We've got some pastas here. We love our pastas. And then just down here we've got like a whole bunch of stuff. So we shop at Costco, so we pick up the bigger box of Migering, and I've just mixed the Shin Ramyun with Migering in that one, which I think I want to get like one of these baskets so I can actually organize it in there. And then we've got some extras. I've got the Uncle Ben's Mexican rice, and some dokla packets in front, like the quick cooking ones. Then I've got my rice, my flour at the back, and dal at the back. I've got some passatas, and all the open packets are just in this basket here. This is one of the baskets. I have one more which is just in the pantry, but this is like my mini pantry of sorts just down here.
Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we ended up going to see some apartments with my brother, and I kind of finished what I had started, but we had other things to do around the house. So what we ended up doing was, when we came back, which was really late, but we ended up doing my filming room setup again, because I was doing it from my bedroom. I've done a couple of videos in my bedroom, and I wasn't quite feeling it. Like, it was a bit congested. Everything was just like, you know, like just on top of us. And so decided to go back to my old room, just a little bit of a mix up as to how that's set up, because my husband's still going to be using that office, and then I'm going to be sharing that space with him. So we're gonna try and make that work. I'm just frothing my mouth here. So we're gonna try and make that work, see how that goes. But yeah, we did that setup yesterday. Now I don't have a backdrop. Now the situation at the moment is I can do it without a backdrop, but I don't quite like my door frames or the color of my door. So I'm going to end up, like, I do have a backdrop stand, but I don't have like a really nice backdrop. So we're going to be like probably getting a bed sheet or something like that. Just gonna make my coffee. So we'll probably be going to Kmart a little bit later and getting like a bed sheet or something like that. I'm actually gonna go online and have a look at some of the backdrops and see like what they cost and stuff, like which one is better. I kind of wanted something that was a little bit stretchy so it wouldn't crease and I wouldn't have to worry about like ironing it and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you. I'm gonna have my coffee first because I'm really tired. I'm gonna have my coffee and then I'll show you what that setup looks like. So I'll be right back.
Okay, you guys, so this is our office space, and
this is where my hubby works, so this is still like a work in progress. We still have to like clean everything out from this side. We just mainly focused on my working area yesterday, so I've got my lights and everything up. So basically when I was in my bedroom, I couldn't use my umbrella lights, so now I have umbrella lights. I've got really nice light coming in, so if I just wanted to use natural light I could. And then I've just got my desk situation here. So left hand side is going to be where I'll be filming, and then right hand side is where it's more of like a work area, but you can actually like slide it in the middle if you had to. We built this chair yesterday as well. I had an office chair that had handles on the side, which was interfering with the drawers, and it wasn't working really well. So we decided to get this new chair. It's just from Kmart. It was 29 bucks. Super easy to put together, and yeah, it works really well. I've got everything connected to like a Wi-Fi plug, so all I have to do is, there's an app on my phone, I just need to turn that, like just switch it on from there, so everything comes on at the same time. Bruno. And then this area is going to be a focus today, and then I've got my backdrop stand. It's a little too high, we're going to bring it down, but I've got my backdrop stand here, so we're going to be getting that sheet and stuff, and then I've got these lights, fairy lights, that I'm actually going to put on top of that. So quite a bit of a project ahead of us still. But yeah, I think I'm quite happy with this layout so far, and we'll see how it works when I start filming.
Hey guys, I completely forgot to film this part, but I've got this organized now. So I've got all of my appliances just up here, and basically I've got like the pairs either next to each other or in front of like the casing. So for example, I've got my food processor just there, so I've got the top part over there, then I've got my blender, and I've got the base, or like the machine, just at the back, and then I've got some of my grinders, choppers, like the Kmart blender of sorts, my popcorn maker, my knife sharpener, and just extra bits and pieces. And then just down here, I moved the bench mixer to the left hand side, and then I have my air fryer because I use that a bit more often. I've got my rice cookers, and then just like random like slices and graters and stuff like that on this side. But yeah, like I said, I didn't have much, and this is really nice to just sort of open the door and just pick everything out, and just get like use out of these things basically. So I'm really happy with that organization, but I'm gonna end this here. It was a fun little project, and then once I do my next one, I will take you guys along that journey. But if you guys enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.